Hello, my name is Amy if you're brand new to this channel, and welcome back to another current favorites video. Lots of fashion items, some bags, and some miscellaneous. I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna start off with two of my new favorite tops. So I'm holding one right here. This is a beautiful silk tank top, and it looks like this in the back, and then the front it's like a U shape with a very dainty spaghetti straps, and it's double layered, so it's 2 layers. I'm also wearing another version. This is the one with sleeveless v-neck, and this one is also double layered, but it has a little bit more texture to it. These tops are perfect for layering under a blazer or tucked under a skirt. I actually did size up in this one. I normally take an extra small in Lily Silk items, so this one is an extra small. But this one I sized it up to a small, and the reason why I went with a small is I always judge it by the photo on the website. So the models that they use, or actually most models that are used on most websites, including the luxury websites that I shop at, they have very similar dimensions to me, even though I am quite a bit shorter than most of the models. But in terms of the actual dimensions of their upper body, not counting to the height, they're very similar. So when I saw that the model was wearing this, I saw that there was a lot of arm space. So this is how my arm looks like in the small. So when I saw it in the model and she was wearing a small, I saw that she had plenty of space in this one and she was wearing a small, but she was wearing a small in this one and she didn't have as much space for the armhole. So I prefer a slightly larger armhole just because it's a little bit less constricting, and I think that it's a little bit more flattering. I don't know if you guys agree with me. Like, I feel like if the armhole was too small, then it would make my arm look even bigger, if that makes sense. Of course, the top is a little bit looser as a result, but it's not so bad because they really drape very nicely because of the material, because of the silk material. So that's why I just wanted to let you guys know that I did size up for this particular one, but for this one I went true to size. I chose these two because I wanted a crisp white top for the warmer season, and also I feel like when you wear a really nice white drapey material, whether you tuck it in or whether you wear underneath as a layer, it always makes you look super polished. Also, the reason why I went with one spaghetti strap and one sort of normal top like this is because on some days I want to wear a full, full bra, and this would be perfect because it hides the straps, whereas with this one it's great when it's even hotter and all you need to do is wear one of those sticky silicone. As usual, I will link everything that I discuss in the videos down below if you guys are ever interested. I also have a coupon code for these tops or anything on their website. I think the coupon code is applicable for 12% off if you guys are ever interested. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't really earn anything from it. It's more for you guys. So next up, I wanted to discuss some jewelry, and I mean, I'm so head over heels with my new Chanel earrings. I got both of them. If you guys have seen my most recent Chanel unboxing video, if you haven't, I can also link it down below. Obviously these ones are very bling, and they're full crystals. They're very big as well. They're oversized and they're extra statement. And not to say that these smaller Chanel earrings are not statement earrings, they're quite statement as well. Someone said in my unboxing video that they're so glad that the 80s and 90s fashion is coming back, and I feel exactly the same because that's when I grew up. I was in high school in the 90s, and all these things like the flare pants and the logomania and just all these great trends that I grew up with, I'm so glad that it's coming back. I seriously don't know if they're still even available in store because these were from the spring summer collection Act 2, so it was just the last season. I mean the current season actually, but they were selling like hotcakes. So if you guys can get your hands on, and if you do like them, I do think that you should get your hands on them because they're amazing and I love them, and I can't stop wearing them. I literally try to wear them every day, like no matter whether I'm dressed up or down. Next piece of jewelry I wanted to talk about is this really pretty coin necklace. This one has a beautiful chain. So if you guys saw the unboxing, it was just my previous video. This is from Ana Luisa, and it's is it 14 karat gold plated? I think it's 14 karat gold plated. Basically it's semi-fine jewelry. They have a lot of really cute pieces, but they do make them in very limited quantity, and their stock actually moves quite fast. If you guys are interested in any Ana Luisa pieces, I do have a coupon code that is still good for another week. Yeah, my coupon code was only good for 2 weeks, so there's still another week left, and it gives you $10 off if you're interested. It's again not an affiliate link, I don't get anything from it, it's more for you guys. But yeah, check out my last video if you guys want to see what I unboxed from Ana Luisa. There were 5 pieces in total, but I would have to say that this coin necklace is my favorite because I love layering it with my initials necklace. So this is the LV initials, and I love to just kind of layer it like that. The next 2 items, or rather bags, that I have been really enjoying the past while are these 2. So this one, you guys probably remember it. I revealed it last year, and it's my Valentino stud bag. Actually, it's called the Valentino Spike bag, and this is in the small size. This bag is amazing. It's full leather, and it's super well made. No regrets getting this one. I don't know if you guys are even interested in the updated review of this bag, but Valentino bags have really quickly become one of my favorite bags in my collection. And I'm actually looking to add another Valentino bag because their bags are just so well made and so amazing. They don't keep their values or anything, so I will always try to get them on sale if possible. What's more surprising is this bag here. So this is not like a high-end luxury brand, but it is a very cute Korean brand, and their things are so well made. The quality definitely feels luxury to me. It can be worn as a shoulder bag, but it can also be worn as a bum bag. This is a fully convertible bag. There's 3 ways to wear it actually. So if you remove the straps and loop it through the back over here, then you've got a really cute bum bag, and this is a really good size bum bag. The other way that you can also wear it is completely remove the straps, and then underneath the flap there's this little D-ring here. You pass it through here, and you can hook onto this detachable little wristlet strap which comes with it. Actually, it's the whole set, and you have a clutch. I mean, 3 ways of wearing this bag. It's so good, it's so amazing. I've actually had this bag for over a month now, and I've been wearing it so often, and funnily I've never really taken any pictures with it. For some reason I love wearing this bag like super casual, and obviously I'm not dressed up or anything, I'm just doing groceries and whatnot, and I love carrying this bag for that reason because it's so easy, casual, and very easy access. It opens with a magnetic closure. I was just using it yesterday, and obviously the phone also fits. There's tons of space. I can just show you. This is my phone. Fits so easily. There's so much space in this bag. There's space for your sunglasses on top. As far as I know, this bag comes in 4 different colors. I think there's this cute beigey, kind of like a beige taupe color, and there is a white color which has the croc embossing. I was so close to getting that one actually, but I figured I'll just go with plain. So yeah, I mean, I like both. There's the blue one, which is brand new, I think, and there's a black one, I believe. So right now, I think there's only 4 colors. I just went with this because I figured spring, and I didn't want another black bag, even though I have nothing against black bag. Or maybe I should have tried the blue one, because the blue one was so cute. It's a really nice shade of blue. Anyway, show you the few compartments that it has. So there's another slip compartment over here with a snap button closure. Big fan of this bag. There's only maybe one tiny thing that I wish that it had was a stronger magnet, because as of right now you can see it's not very hard to open it. So if it was just like maybe twice as strong, it would have been perfectly fine. It would have still been easy to open. I'll show you guys how to convert it. So you just basically remove it from all these loops. There you have it. All you need to do is just attach it. And it's actually quite easy to attach it. It's not super fast to do because you do have to loop it through, but the leather is very buttery and it's very soft. This can be a waist bum bag with the smallest setting, or you can put it at the largest setting, which I actually really like to do. I like to put it at almost the largest setting, just to wear it as a crossbody bum bag. And it is actually probably my favorite way of wearing it. Instead of wearing it as a bum bag, I prefer to wear it like that, crossbody. I forgot to say, this is the dust bag that it came with. And their leathers are so high quality and everything is so well made. Like I said, it's luxurious quality, but the price is very comparable to like a Coach item or like a Tory Burch item. Their prices are very reasonable for the quality that they are. And for some reason, I really like Korean styles in general. Like, Koreans just know how to make their organizers. They know how to make their bags look cute and functional. There's just so many great little brands in Korea that we have yet to explore. Anyway, this is another item from Joseph&Stacey. So this is kind of like a little wallet, or you can call it like a little card holder slash coin holder maybe. It has this detachable strap. So this is just a like a, I don't know, like a cotton strap, nylon strap. It's completely detachable. There's 3 card slots in the front with the little scissor logo. In the back, there is another card slot. If you take a lot of public transportation, I do sometimes. I like going to downtown by public transit because I hate to park in downtown. This is where I would put my Compass card, where it's super easy, or your Octopus card if you're in Hong Kong, and you just swipe through the station or the bus. Zippered coin little compartment here. You can also put cards. It's big enough for cards as well. So it's a super cute, compact little card wallet. If you're not in the market for a super expensive luxury one, which, you know, usually a simple slim card case would run between $200 to $300. If you're going for Chanel, it's $400 to $500. If you're not in the market for those and you want something very durable, practical, and super easy to use, this is a really great option. This is the front, the back, and this is the glazing, the zipper. My last favorite, which is not a fashion item, this is a miscellaneous item, is right here. It's a little fan device and it's so cute. I love this color. It's in pink. You can also rotate it. It's actually a USB fan, so you can either plug it into one of your chargers, existing chargers. You can plug it in onto your computer, anywhere that you can use the USB. And this is the on-off button, and there's 3 different settings, so 3 different speeds. It's called the Smart Devil. There's several different other colors that you can choose from. What else does it say here? I think I just told you everything. I know there's also portable ones, which I also own. Those are good for when you're out and about, but this is really great when You just need one in the office. It's not clunky or anything. You don't need like a whole thing sitting on the floor and then having to find an electric outlet. As long as you have a device around you, or even like a battery pack, you can use those too. As long as you have one of those things, then you can make use of the cute little fan here. And it's just from Amazon. It's very affordable, and I love that everything nowadays, well, not everything, but a lot of things, including mirrors for makeup and just a lot of different things now, are USB powered, which is amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you back. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day ahead of you, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.